Hi Pharma friends, this is Naveen and we are back with another episode of Capsule Pharma News.
Episode number 101. And coming to today's news, National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research Hyderabad is organizing a hands-on experience on instrument and techniques for nanotechnology based drug delivery. This is a offline workshop which is sponsored by Pharmaceutical Promotion Development Scheme PPDS and the Budding Nanotechnologist Award to the best learner. So let's get into more details about this workshop. Here you can see the instruments in which the workshop is based on, and here is the chief guest Dr. Ajay, Vice President NDDS Sun Pharma and Pattern, Dr. Sashi Bala Singh, Director NIPER Hyderabad, and the venue of workshop is NIPER Hyderabad as it is an offline event, and the date is 22nd to 23rd March 2021. And here is the registration link. You can scan the code. I will provide the registration link in the description of the video. And you all know that NIPER is the fifth in terms of NIRF ranking Hyderabad. And here are the account details for in which you need to submit at the time of registration by paying a fee of 1000 rupees for individual, and they are not going to provide any accommodation. And here you can see the workshop highlights: the hot melt extrusion technology, rheometry, microfluids, HPLC design and nanomedicine, tools and techniques in nanoformulation, etc. And who can attend this workshop? B Pharmacy, M Pharmacy students, MSc, BSc, MSc and PhD students of pharmaceutical sciences and life sciences, and limited registration seats. And for any more information or detailed queries, you can contact the numbers given here in the brochure. And thank you guys, thank you for watching this video, and please share this information with your friends via share option in the YouTube. Thank you.